Hi everyone, my name is Stacy and I do nail tutorials, unboxings, tips and tricks, and product reviews. Today I have an unboxing for you. My second Your Nail Lab by Makartt came in and I'm going to share it all with you. So far I've been extremely happy with these. So they come in these very cute boxes. There is their website if you want to go ahead and sign up for the subscription. This is the Luxe box. They have two versions. This is the more expensive version, which really isn't all that much money. I'll go ahead and link that down below for those that want to sign up. It is a monthly subscription, so once you sign up, it will auto renew every month, but you have the chance to cancel at any point. So this month's was designed in conjunction with Christina Couture. She did an awesome job. So they come with this info on the box. And we got false nails, a big bag of them. And I actually needed some more nails, so this comes in handy. I'm just going to go ahead and pull out one of them so you can see the shape of them. And they are tips. This is number 6. So you can see it's a tip. They are stiletto. They don't have a high C curve. And it would fit on my nail like that. And you can cut them down and then they would be coffin. Okay. I actually needed some of these, so these will come in very handy. We also got some rhinestones. Everything is nicely packaged. So these are the rhinestones. They look like the multicolored ones, and they come in 6 different sizes. Oh, these are tough. So they are the silverback ones, but they are flat back, so perfect for nails. Next, we got these butterfly charms. So we got a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm actually going to lower my camera so you can see them. They're very pretty, but they're very big. And I have really tiny nails. They're super pretty. The back looks like that. So they actually have some area to grip. And their fronts look like that. Super pretty. I really like the purple one. I just wish they were a little bit smaller because my nails are tiny. Next, we have, some stickers. So there are a bunch of coordinating butterfly stickers, and they're hollow. See, they're hollow. So look at that. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, I really like these. And they come in different sizes too, which is really nice. Some more butterflies. They're all hollow. And they are stickers. So I make very good use of this. I put butterflies on nails all the time. And then we got some polishes. So first polish is this one. It's lavender. I love these square bottles too, by the way. I think they're my favorite shape of the bottles. So very Eastery color. Very, very pretty. I love purple. I like how everything in the box coordinates color-wise. And this is sky blue and with the decals. So these are perfect color for the butterflies. So very light blue. This would be great for Easter eggs too. The Easter egg nails. And in this month, we got some more acrylic. Now last month we got polygel, and the month before that was acrylic. So I don't know if they're going to go every other month or not. That'd be pretty cool. I do both acrylic and polygel. I also do dip, so all of them are great to me. And this is a new line of those. They just came out with the acrylic powders, so I can't wait to give them a try. They've got really good reviews so far. So this one is sugar white. And then we got another one. Oh, this is acrylic or dip. So you can do either one with these. These, I believe, are 1 ounce box, 1 ounce containers. Oh boy. I sometimes have a hard time getting boxes open. And it's an all-in-one dip in powder, and this one's the clear. And then they said there was a surprise item in each box. Now, I don't know if the surprise item is going to be different for everyone, but I got a dip powder. And my color is this one just says dip, and the other ones say dip, all in one dip and acrylic. And this one is secret level. So this looks like a pretty nude color. Can't wait to give that one a try too, because I love my nude colors. So that's it, folks. That's what I got with my subscription. Very, very happy with what I got, and we'll continue to get these because I think they're a great deal. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe in the notification box down below. I'd love to have you as subscribers. Also, please leave me a comment and follow me on my social media, which is Instagram and TikTok.